Good evening, everyone. Paul here from Prestige Options, and welcome, guys, to a brand new update for Maximus Cryptobot. Today is Thursday, the 26th of April, and what we're going to be doing, guys, is some live trading using Maximus Cryptobot during the late market hours. Now, this will actually be a great opportunity to take advantage of, guys, because let's face it, not everyone has a lot of time to spare, whether it be during the morning, during the day, or at night, in order to dedicate time for trading. So this would be a great observation, guys, to see Maximus Cryptobot live in action during these slow market hours, just to give you a better understanding how you are able to use Maximus Cryptobot anytime that you need. So stay tuned, guys, and of course, before we get started, do not forget, like our videos, and if you're new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe. That way you get notifications on all of our future updates. So let's go in, guys, and let's make some money. So welcome, guys, to the Maximus Cryptobot trading application, an automated trading software which specifically targets both cryptocurrencies and global currencies. Now, this is one of our most favorite applications that I've ever used in a very, very long time. Basically, not only because it targets both markets, but it's also just very, very easy to use. Now, again, we are trading during late market hours. So if we are looking at the economic calendar in GMT format, it is after 23 GMT. So depending where you live right now, guys, I mean, as of right now, it's only 6 o'clock in the evening, my time. But depending on which country that you live in, it's probably already tomorrow. So kind of a crazy thought when you think of it in terms of different time zones. So markets are currently very slow at the moment. There's not a whole lot of movement happening. There are a lot of the high impact news events have already occurred during the day. So at this time, there's really not much happening. So we really don't have to worry about any high volatility, especially because it is late night market hours. So we're going to be taking our advantage of Maximus Cryptobot, and we're going to play some trades. Now, as you can see, guys, that even though it is late in the evening, there's still a handful of trades that we can place. Now, normally during the day when markets are more active, Maximus Cryptobot usually provides around 18 to 25 different signals that you can trade at the moment, anytime during the day. But as of right now, even though it is late, we still have 3, 6, 9, 12 signals. So, I mean, 12 signals is still a lot of signals that you can trade from, especially under these conditions. So we are using Maximus Cryptobot, guys, in connection with Binary Online. Now, don't forget, guys, that we actually have multiple accounts with Maximus Cryptobot. For those of you who are new to our channel, we actually opened 2 different accounts with Maximus Cryptobot, and each account is connected to a different broker. Now, yesterday, guys, was actually a very, very special day because it marked 1 month using Maximus Cryptobot. So we actually posted this video right here on our channel, and it was basically a culmination of, very important updates that we have learned over the course of this month using Maximus Cryptobot. And the most exciting part of it is that we were able to generate over $10,000 in profits just by using Maximus Cryptobot in connection with both of these 2 accounts. So really exciting, guys. We go over a lot of important updates in regards to live results, withdrawals, safety methods, and just a lot of important information. So if you want to see that video, guys, you can access it anytime here on our channel. And for your convenience, I will leave the link to that video down below in our video description. Well, without further ado, guys, let's get started with some trades. And what we're going to be focusing here, guys, is global currency pairs. I really don't want to focus too much on cryptocurrencies, and that's really a key element of Maximus Cryptobot, is that you can decide whether which type of markets you want to target. If you want to target cryptocurrencies, if you want to target global currencies, or if you want to combine them both at the same time, you have that freedom to do so. But for my personal preference, guys, for this evening, we're going to start with global currency. So for our first trade, guys, let's choose the USD JPY for a call position. So all we do is choose our trade value. We're going to do $100 investments, and then we click trade. Next trade, let's take Euro JPY again for $100 and click trade. And as you can see, guys, all you have to do when it comes to using Maximus Cryptobot is simply choose your trade value for each individual trade that you want, and you simply click the trade button. And as we go along, you'll see how all of these trades that we choose through Maximus Cryptobot are automatically integrated into our connected broker. And in this case, my connected broker is Binary Online. So let's take another trade, guys. Let's take the euro versus the Australian dollar. All right, so that's our third trade. Let's take Australian dollar versus the NZD. All right, and let's take one more trade, guys. Let's take one more for a total of 5 trades at $100 each. That will be a total of $500 invested. So let's take GBP. Let's take the British pound versus the Australian dollar for $100 and click trade. And that's all there is to it, guys. So all you have to do at this point is what I recommend you do is just double check with your broker and make sure that all the trades that you've chosen through Maximus Cryptobot have been integrated into your connected broker, which in this case is Binary Online. So here we have our 5 trading positions, guys, as predicted and provided by the Maximus Cryptobot app. Now, what's also cool, guys, is that when you trade through the software, it also chooses your expirations for you. And in this case, we only have about 10 to 15 minutes until these trades will expire. You can also see that our $500 has been deducted from our account balance as a result of taking 5 trades valued at $100 each. So at this point, guys, we're just going to wait for those trades to expire. So in the meantime, what we'll do is just simply pause this video, and then we will return back with our application and our broker to review the results. So stay tuned, guys, and do not go anywhere, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, we are back. The time is up. It's only been a matter of minutes, but we can log back in because those trades are now closed and finalized. And remember, guys, that when you are using Maximus Cryptobot, make sure that you just double confirm everything that you do through the Maximus Cryptobot application. Just double check with your connected broker, your wins, your losses, all of your trade histories, guys, and that way you can just confirm everything that you have traded. So here we have our 5 trades, guys, just as we had traded and predicted by Maximus Cryptobot. 5 trades, guys, at $100 per each trade. And it seems that we do have one loss here for the Australian dollar versus the NZD, but that's okay, guys, because we still have 4 additional profitable wins. So 4 out of 5 winning trades, guys, I do believe that is an 80% winning ratio. And because of the fact that we invested $100 per each trade, we have a returned profit of $231, which is a great turnout, guys. And remember that Maximus Cryptobot chooses your expiration times for you when you trade through the software, as you just saw me do. And these trades only lasted about 15 to 20 minutes. So under 20 minutes of trading, guys, we made over $230 in profit, which is a great turnout of events. Now, remember, now also don't forget that if you are trading Maximus Cryptobot in connection with a Forex or CFD broker, it will also choose your margins, your stop losses, your take-home profits, everything. It automates the entire process, guys, so that way you have a more hands-free, easy experience. So this is why Maximus Cryptobot has certainly become a top-rated choice, not just for experienced traders, but for beginners as well. So a great turnout of events, guys, great results. And once again, our balance does continue to grow. And also, this is a great example to show you guys that it doesn't matter if you have time in the morning, during the day, or at night to trade. You can use Maximus Cryptobot anytime that you have time to dedicate time for trading. So if you are interested, guys, you can check out all the information located down below in our video description. Click the links. You can read more about Maximus Cryptobot, and if you want, you can register, sign up, and get your own free copy and start profiting Maximus Cryptobot today. If you have any questions, guys, comment on my videos, or you can also email me directly at prestigebinary@gmail.com. And don't forget, guys, like our videos and be sure that you subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our latest live trading update with Maximus Cryptobot. Have a great night, guys. I'll be back tomorrow morning, so I'll see you soon.
We're dreaming.